Hi guys, my name is Daniel and this is CSS4 Commands number 1. And we are going to, in this tutorials, we're going to see some commands of the some features of the CSS4 new features. CSS4 it's supported in 38% of in Chrome. I don't know what's going on with other browsers. As far we're gonna use Chrome here, and let's begin showing you some features. The first feature we're gonna see, it's a text put an input text that it's gonna change with when it's required or not required. So let me make let's make a form here. It's a simple form with method of get and form. Okay, we're going to create two input texts here with a type of text. Input type equals text, and we're gonna copy this, and now what I'm gonna do here in the first input, we're gonna change it to required. And I will explain you later what this does. So required equals quote unquote required. Okay, now I'm gonna go to style and change the required. Now the feature of the CSS4 is this: we type the required feature of the CSS4 with these two dots, and then inside that we can change anything we need to change on the element of the input that it is required. Let's see that. I'm gonna change the border to 1 pixel solid, and I'm gonna change the color actually because it's already 1 pixel and solid. The color would be red. Okay, and let's see what we have done. Sorry for that. This is okay. As you can see here, the first input text, it's now red because it's required. You can see that it's the required, and we change it with this new feature of the CSS4. It's required, and everything you do in that, it will be changed only in the required fields. The cool thing about this is that we can change not only the required but all the other optional. With this optional, you can just type optional and change anything you need to change in your optional inputs. So let's change the width here to 300 pixels, and let's see. Now refresh it, and it changed the width only in the one that it's required. You cannot see that. You cannot see that it's required, but it is. CSS4 knows that it is required because you don't have it. It's optional because you don't have the required on it. So for the first video, this is it. Thank you very much. I will continue researching, and I will explain you more for the CSS4 commands and properties. Thank you. See you in the next video.